Okay folks, here we go again. Ever wondered what a pip is in Forex trading? In this video, I'll break down the concept of pips in the simplest way possible. What they are, how they work, and why they matter in your trades. Whether you're a beginner, just starting out, or looking to refresh your basics, this lesson will help you understanding the foundation of Forex. Let's turn pips into profit. Here we go. So what is pip? Pip is the smallest price movement unit in Forex. When you say smallest unit, it means from 0.001. That's the smallest unit. And it's used to measure how much the market moves and calculate your profit and loss. What makes a pip worth money? The value of pip depends on three things. 1. Currency pair you are trading, the lot size, and the exchange rate. Okay, so I'm gonna use this chart to explain to you a pip value formula. For instance, there are traders who are using a standard lot. It means a standard lot, 1 pip is equal to $10. Okay, that's the volume of 1 pip on a standard lot. If you are a trader who is using a mini lot, if you're a trader who is using a mini lot like that, this means 1 pip is equal to 1 USD. Okay, so if you're using a mini lot, it means that the volume of your trade will be $1. And if you're using a micro lot, the volume of your trade will be 0.1 USD. Depends on how much you are willing to risk on a single trade. By understanding the pip value formula, let's now move on the chart. So this is your chart. Okay, the price is showing you a bullish scenario. This is our high and this is our low. So when you're looking for entry, I'm gonna mark here, this is our demand zone. Okay, I assume this is gonna be our entry point, so we're gonna be looking for long. So we are going to use our long tool position to calculate the pips that we are risking. For instance, in this trade, if you are risking maybe 20 pips, okay, and we are targeting almost like, let's say, 50 pips. Okay, so these digits are what we call pips, those digits. Okay, also on a bearish scenario, the market goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Here, yes, we'll be looking for short position. Okay, so we're gonna mark our entry point over there. Okay, and then we're gonna use our short position tool just right there. Let's say in this trade also you are risking maybe 20 pips. Okay, just like that. And you are targeting also 50, let's say 50 pips. So these digits are what we call pip. So by understanding pips in Forex, you'll be able to calculate profit and loss, also set your stop loss and take profit properly. Boom.